Delicate in texture, buttery, light as air, and flavored with vanilla, today we are making little Madeleine cakes. Here are the ingredients. You will need 90 grams of sugar, 120 grams of unsalted butter, 130 grams of flour, 2 medium eggs at room temperature, a pinch of salt, a half a teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a little bit more butter for brushing, and powdered sugar for dusting. I would like to thank Skillshare for sponsoring us today. Skillshare is an online learning community offering thousands of classes on a variety of topics. I have been using Skillshare for almost a year and I received great value from each single class that I took. And there is so much more for me to explore. Now, whether you want to learn about photography, marketing, business, Skillshare has it. And whether you want to dabble into something new or perhaps expand your knowledge on something you're already passionate about, I know that you will find the perfect class just for you on Skillshare. I have a special offer for you. For the first 1,000 of you to use the link in the description box below, you will receive a 1 month free of Skillshare Premium membership. What will you learn? Let me know in the comments below. And now back to baking. Pour the sugar in a medium glass bowl and add the 2 eggs at room temperature. Your home will soon start filling with delicious flavors. Now blend the sugar and the eggs together until they form a smooth cream. We now add the vanilla to the mix and we slowly pour in the melted butter, a little string at a time until it's well blended into the batter. We slowly sift the baking powder and flour together into the batter. Take your time during this process and gently mix it all together into a very soft and creamy paste, like so. It will appear very smooth, creamy, and thick. We now prepare our bowl to go into the refrigerator covered for 1 hour. Meanwhile, you can preheat the oven at 175 degrees Fahrenheit. We are going to melt the extra butter and gently brush it into the mold of our Madeleine while our oven is finishing preheating. We are now ready to remove the batter from the fridge, uncover it, and with a small ice cream scoop or a 1 tablespoon, we make little balls. They don't have to be perfect, and we place them at the center of each mold for the Madeleine. The batter will make exactly 12 Madeleine, so try to adjust accordingly. They are ready for the oven, and based on your oven, they are gonna cook between 11 to 14 minutes. Keep an eye on them. They will appear very light when they are done with a little brown edge. Take them out, let them rest for a couple of minutes, and very, very gently remove 1 at a time from the mold and place it upside down until completely cooled. Now that they are cooled off, we can dust generously with powdered sugar. Your home will be filled with vanilla, and the aromas of the buttery Madeleine will be delicious and irresistible. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know and tag me at Dear Annalisa J if you made this recipe. I will see you next week with a brand new video. Thank you for watching.